This is the Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament in Pampanga. Welcome to the 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup Elimination Round. As we are live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga for the game number 2 for our long weekend action. As we can see here, the two teams battling for today, the Minalin All-Stars is here. The bench of the Minalin All-Stars and the rest of the players as they lost to Florida Blanca 70-57 with Harvey Salvador as the player of the ball game last January 27 to 2024. At para naman dito sa makakatapat nila, Santa Ana Unites, you see on the screen together with other of the players as they lost to GUIAO 72-62 with Neil Calma as the best player with the 18 points last January 26 to 2024. And our game at hand is the Minalin All-Stars kontra Santa Ana Unites. May isang magandang umaga po sa inyo mga kabalen. Ako po ang inyong makakasama, Penelope Wilhelmina, and together with me is my brother and mentor in the hardcourt, Enzo Galarosa. Enzo, good morning.
Hi. Good morning to you, Ben, and good morning sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon ng 2024 Delta Cup after yung exquisite first game kanina. Let's hope to see another, competitive ball game dito from these two teams who are looking to bounce back after their previous losses dito sa Delta Cup. Very interesting itong makakikita natin laro between Minalin and Santa Ana.
And syempre, pwede pong tutukan ng ating mga kabalan itong Delta Cup 2023 to 2024 through our social media platforms. Of course, sa ating Facebook at Pampanga PIO. At syempre, pwede rin lang tutukan sa YouTube channel ng Pampanga_PIO. At syempre, naka-live din tayo sa ating social media platform at Sinagliga TV. And for our team standings, tingnan muna natin ngayon kung nasaan ba itong dalawang koponan na to. As we can see here, the Minalin All-Stars 3-on-3 and the Santa Ana United is 3-on-2. Parehan, magkasunod lang yung standing nila dito sa bracket B.
Yes, ang nakataya dito will be the 5th seed. They're trailing the United Tomasian Ballers dito for the 4th seed. Dahil tandaan natin, in the playoffs, top 4 teams of the brackets will have a twice-to-beat advantage sa quarterfinals 1. So yun ang hinahabol itong Santa Ana United and Minalin All-Stars. Hinahabol nila itong United Tomasian Ballers at the 4th seed. A victory here for Santa Ana will solidify them towards that goal. For Minalin naman, a win for them, matatay nila itong United Tomasian Ballers. So, pwestuhan ang labanan dito sa ating second game.
And to finally start our ball game, I'm now turning over to Ram Ballad for our starters of the game.
Maya paabag kay kayongan Kamalen Sports Fans. Live po tamo kay kang BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga, and welcome to Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament, presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by coverage partner Sinagliga Asha. We're also live at Pampanga PIO Public Information Office at PIO FB page. Our second game for today, it's the battle between Minalin All-Stars and your Santa Ana United. And now let's meet the starting lineup for both teams. First, for your Minalin All-Stars. Starting at guard number 1, Jarmel Garcia. Also at guard number 6, PJ Parungao. At forward number 10, Kenneth Pamulagan. Also at forward number 81, Jason Ibay. And center number 30, Eros Easy. Head coach for Minalin All-Stars is Bernard Valencia. Assistant coaches June Canlas, Jericho Isidro, Limuel Serrano, Paul Miclat, and Loy Laxina. Team manager, Mr. Von Manalili. Your Minalin All-Stars. And now let's meet the starting lineup for your Santa Ana Unite. Starting at guard number 1, Aljon Alparo. Also at guard number 7, Lloyd Peña. Forward number 6, Atan Santiago. Also at forward number 9, Raymond Ignacio. And center number 12, Sean Musngi. Head coach for Santa Ana Unite is Eugene Nicolas. Assistant coaches, Joanna Mayude, Alian Erica Ginto. Your Santa Ana Unite. Game officials charged in action. Jong Banayat, Anthony, and
As we can see here, our starters for Minalin, we have Parungao, Garcia, Ibay, Pamulagan, and Isip. And for the side of Santa Ana United, we have Alfaro, Peña, Muski, Ignacio, and Santiago. As we can see here, saan mapupunta ang first ball possession. Jump ball, first ball possession goes to Minalin All-Stars.
Yes, and as both teams, yung nga nakita natin sa team standings, pwestuhan tong labanan dito. Victory for either team, mas makakaangat sila sa standings, closer to that 4th seed kung saan may twice to beat. But a great basket right here for Minalin All-Stars. Going to Eros Isip.
For Eros Isip.
Yung big man agad nilang sinet up. Great play from the get-go. Galing dito sa Minalin All-Stars. Isip, the tallest player on the floor. They need to set him up multiple times dahil nga with that height, that length, diba, it will break down the defense netong Santa Ana Unite.
It's actually a good player for the side of Minalin na may ganyan kakatangkad na guy. Magagamit mo talaga siya on that kind of play.
Yep,
as a three-pointer shot there for the side of Santa Ana Unite.
Good start para dito sa Santa Ana. Peña knocking down the 3.
What a good pass there. Parungan, a three-point shot there for the side of Minalin, but that's no good. A good defense pinapakita dito ng Minalin All-Star. Almost a steal for the side of Santa Ana, and a nice pass there, an easy basket.
Gamble for the steal. Nag-break down yung defense. Nagkaroon ng 4-on-3 on the half court. Oh, what a Euro step right there galing kay Ibay.
What a easy two-point shot for the side of Minalin. But then here, Santa Ana setting their play. A miscommunication.
Right intention, pero meron lang talagang delay dun sa pasa din eh. Hindi rin nakita na si Peña was still going to the baseline pa. Miscommunication that time.
Another easy basket. Parang wala nang bumabantay.
Para dito. Good layup para kay Jamil Garcia. Saw the crack on the defense. Attacked the gap. Easy finish for him. Oh, good drive by Musngi.
But a rebound there for the side of Minalin.
Look at that. Swinging the ball around itong Minalin. Trying to find the open look.
For a three there, but a big guy underneath.
Ibay na naman. 4 points now for Jason Ibay. Great cut underneath the basket habang nakatigil yung defenders.
Angat na sa tatlo ang kalamangan dito ng Minalin. That jumper is no good for the side of Santa Ana.
Right here, a good start for Minalin. Last game nga nila, di ganito kaganda yung simula nila. Agad-agad silang pinaulanan ng Florida Blanca doon. And now, they're starting to play their game. And actually, mas kompleto sila ngayon. Last game against Florida Blanca, kulang sila. They didn't have itong si Isip on the floor.
Another 3-point shot attempt. It's good
Aljan
for
Alfaro.
Alfaro.
Great kick out pass to Alfaro. Wide open look, and that's what Santa Ana needs to do. Get their shooters going. Against Guagua, tulong-tulong tayo. Medyo nag-struggle sila from the three-point line. So that's a good sign that you knock down a 3 right now.
It should be as a center play for the side
Yun
of
lang.
Menalin All-Stars.
Sobra.
Then a missed pass there for Santa Ana. Medyo gumulong yung bola doon for Alfaro. As we took a look at this play, ang ganda ng pass doon sa ilalim. It's an easy basket for the side of Menalin All-Stars inside the ball game. At 8 after the 3-point shot by Aljan Alfaro. That time, our score, 8 points for both teams. As we are now back here for the 6 minutes and 23 seconds of the second quarter, as we can see their head coach, Eugene Nicolas of Santa Ana Unite.
There you go. You're getting the hang of it na.
The ball possession of Menalin All-Stars,
Yun lang.
but a foul called there by our referees.
At kita mo naman kasi laki neto ni Isip. And then, dahil nga malaki siya, pine-prevent netong Santa Ana na mabigay sa kanya yung bola. Wala pa nga, layo pa ng bola, inaakap agad nila, di ba? But a good tap.
Defense there.
Yes. Uy,
For
inbounds.
Aljon Alfaro.
Whoa!
What a move and a basket for him.
Grabe naman yung Eurostep na yun.
For a guy like Alfaro, yung mga ganyan talaga, not much taller guy, ganun yung mga signature moves talaga nila is the Euro steps.
Oo. Usong-uso yan eh. Lalong-lalo na kasi pag alam mong timingan yung galaw mo. Take a look at this. Inbound siya. Doon ako na-impress eh. Inbound siya. Nakita niya patalon na yung defender. That first step is very important kasi doon mo makikita kung effective ba yung Euro step mo. And a
good
great
read
move.
din sa defense ng opponent niya.
Alley-oop. Bitin lang.
Another again for Aljon Alfaro. Still an easy basket for him. Makes it his 6th consecutive point of this ball game.
Oo, 7 points now for Alfaro in the first quarter. 3 earlier, tapos back-to-back layups. Starting to catch fire to si Alfaro. Ito pa, may topic pa siya sa likod.
Makes it his 9 and an easy layup again for Aljon Alfaro. This is the guy na kailangang bantayan ng Menalin All-Stars eh. Kasi let's take a look at this play. A highlight play again. So, nalilibre siya sa ilalim eh. Kaya sobrang dali para sa kanya. Naipasok lang yung bola eh. As with that, 14 to 8 is our score. We will be back after a short break. As we can see here, Ibay, a player who scored already 4 points
Yes.
for this ball game for Menalin All-Stars. Here, head coach Eugene Nicolas of Santa Ana Unite instructing his players na mag-usap daw sa loob ng court.
And
Which is a very important factor din naman, Enzo, the communication inside the court.
yes, and siyempre, itong Menalin All-Stars, laging nakasuporta ang
Another
mga taga-Menalin.
turnover for Santa Ana Unite.
Oh, good block.
But a good block there to the side of Menalin. Pamugalan.
Natapik na naman.
Alam mo ang sipag ng Santa Ana sa ganun eh. But mas fast.
Volleyball. Volleyball na ginawa dun. Pero speaking of itong Minalin All-Stars, let's greet and give a shout out to the beloved mayor of Minalin, Mayor Philip Nagit, and also Vice Mayor Rondon Mercado. And also, happy birthday to Admin Maganto Yambao. And siyempre, happy birthday din kay Lordino. Kay Lordino Nunag, happy watching po sa inyo. And happy birthday po to Admin Maganto Yambao and Lordino Nunag. And siyempre, pinapashoutout nila ang napakasarap na Edelin's Peanut. Ewan ko ba, last game ng Minalin, binigyan kami Edelin's Peanut. Nandito ka kasi, kaya siguro kami hindi nabigyan.
Bakit?
Ewan ko.
May mas masarap kasing akong alam na peanut eh. Kaya baka hindi binigay, alam siguro.
Natuwa kami sa Edelin's Peanut. Lahat ng staff dito ng Sinag nabigyan eh. Naghati-hati kami.
Baka naman po. Nandito po ako ngayon.
Nandito ako. Kung kailan nandito ka, tsaka hindi
Pwede
binigyan
po
sa Edelin's Peanut. Pero I mean, Mayor Philip Nagit of Minalin, lagi ko siyang binabate. Even nung kina-cover ko Pampanga Giant Lanterns nung time na yon, lagi siyang nanonood. Kasi nga, avid basketball supporter siya. And also, kita naman natin gaano ka-talented ang mga bata sa Minalin. None bigger than Letran's own. Kilala mo ba yun? Letran Knight player yun eh. From Minalin, Pampanga.
Sino?
Joshua pangalan.
Wala akong kilala.
Joshua. Hindi mo kilala si Joshua Miklat? Part of that, big three ng Pampanga Delta sa Letran. Miklat Bautista
naglaro siya
Santos.
sa Saturn for Sinagliga. Yes. Born 2001.
Joshua Miklat from Minalin, Pampanga yun eh. So, di ba?
Taga Minalin pala siya.
Oo.
As here, Kenneth Pamulagan throwing his second free throw. It's good for Kenneth Pamulagan. 4 na lang ang hinahabol dito ng Minalin na All-Stars.
Three minutes and 17 remaining in this first period.
As a good jumper.
Grabe.
Libreng-libre.
Raymond Ignacio. Ang linis Actually, last game, if I'm not mistaken starter to si Raymond Ignacio last time netong Santa Ana Unite eh. Ngayon, coming off the bench, agad-agad nagpakilala with that baseline jumper.
He's actually a starter for this ball game.
Starter ba siya? Oh, never mind what I said. Kalimutan ko eh. Ngayon, ngayon pala siya nagpakilala. Thanks, Pen. Thanks, Pen. Uy, bitin.
Another turnover. Alam mo, Enzo, yung point advantage na itong Santa Ana Unite, galing halos sa turnovers ng Minalin eh.
Yes.
Sa mga bitin nilang shots eh. And as I mentioned earlier, you need to watch out for Aljon Alfaro of Santa Ana United.
Yes, that's actually true yun. Pero kasi for Minalin, nung kalaban nyo yung Florida Blanca, yun yung naging problema nyo eh. Was the turnovers. Kinapitalize ng Florida Blanca.
A 3-point shot there. No good for the side of Santa Ana United. But then yun nga, their turnovers here, as we take a look on that one, on that play, it's almost another turnover for them. But then a good rebound.
Grabe, block na naman. Ayaw talaga for Minalin.
But the defense here of Santa Ana, buti nga hindi naiinis ng Minalin eh. Kasi parang nawawalan sila ng pasensya. But here, another turnover.
Well, one thing kasi para dito sa Santa Ana United, they may be a smaller team. Pero kita mo, pag yung bola nasa ilalim, lahat ng 5 nandun to defend. They're playing good team defense right now. Talking about the Santa Ana United. And again, like I said, Ignacio, di ba? Itong si Ignacio,
Raymond Ignacio.
ano to eh, strict shooter to eh. Makaisa lang to, sunod-sunod na yung baskets niyan eh. And kita mo naman, naka-baseline jumper kanina and then now 3-point shot, di ba? One player that maybe Minalin should take a look at na this is a guy that we have to stop. Kasi nga, pag nakaisa to, sunod-sunod na yan. And ngayon, 5 points na siya to his name.
As a foul there, called for Mark Maniago. He's trying to steal the ball. But then a contact, a personal contact. So napatapon dito sa free throw line ang Menalin. You know what? Dapat sinusulit na ng Menalin yung mga opportunity na nasa free throw line sila. To, kahit pa paano, mababa nila yung kalamangan. Hindi na sila mahirapang maghabol eh.
And ito si NJ Sagmit last game. Actually, against Florida Blanca, hindi siya naglaro. So, very interesting how he'll help itong... Kasi nga, that's gonna add another point guard for Menalin All-Stars.
It's a 2-2 for NJ Sagmit. Cut down the lead to 7 for the side of Menalin. But then, ang layo nun. Layo nun for Santa Ana United.
Yung sinabi mo, ang layo nun, may iba akong naalala. Ayoko na lang sabihin eh. Clear foul. A clear foul whistle there. Good attack galing sa Menalin. Again, NJ Nagit just goes straight to the basket. Then dropped it off to his big man. Ayun, nasa free throw line na ito si Nixon Manabat.
First free throw is good for Manabat. Naalala ko tuloy yung kuya ko sa pangalan niya. Nick kasi yung pangalan ng kuya ko.
Maraming Nick dito, you know.
Nixon Manabat. A 1-2 for him. Ay, a 2-2.
Yes, tama. 1 out of 2. 6-point lead pa rin. Si Alfaro bumalik na sa laro.
Sabi ni head coach Bernard Eugene Nicolas, I need you.
Oh, good pass. And look at that, naglabas pa ng binoculars itong si Lloyd Peña. Dahil nahanap nila itong si Ron David underneath. May pang-kontra pa pala sila, no? Oh, good defense by David.
Almost a steal there. Underneath for Menalin. But the lead is still up by 6.
13 seconds na lang, no shot clock. If you're Santa Ana, di mo kailangan magmadali. Good steal. Yun nga lang, nasa labas na si Musni.
6.8 seconds remaining for our first quarter.
Open look.
From way downtown, no
Sayang.
good! What a first quarter for Menalin. As we can see here, the bench and the other players, the coaching staff of Menalin All-Stars, and here, Santa Ana Unite, 15-21. As we can see here, a pass to Parunugan. The first quarter highlighted the first point of our ball game, as we can see here, the 3-point shot there.
Yes, kay Lloyd Peña yung kanina, and then yung napakagandang atake kanina ni PJ Parungao. But on the other end, nag-init itong si Aljan Alfaro from the outside. And also yung mga napakagandang layup niya, especially that beautiful Euro step move dito. 7 points for Aljan Alfaro in this first period. Kaya nga lamang sila ng 6 na puntos after the first quarter, 21-15.
As mga kasinag, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinag-sports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asya.
Yes. Sino ba bang susunod sa mga yapak? Dahil nga, the defending champions, Pampanga Delta, is back. Sama mo pa ang Hustle Rising Suns. At mamaya, magmomoa signing sila Sir Rocky Chan and of course Luid Juan Kapampangan and Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan. Damay mo pa, babalik din daw ang Paranaque Pelicans. Leap basketball nila Coach Ernest Alaw. And syempre, one of the brand new teams dito for Sinag Liga Asya, ang Camarines Norte.
As we are now back here as of the second quarter of this ball game, another turnover to the side of Minalin. They're still struggling, no, to change or para makorek yung mali nilang yun. Actually, and so when I was able I was manning the sidelines, sa mga huddle, yun yung pinaproblema lagi ng head coaches. Di ba sa end ng first half, may stats. Laging yun yung problema ng both coaches. And to lessen it, actually sabi nila hindi nga naman daw ganun kadali. But as much as possible, a good defense is a way para ma-lessen yun eh.
Well, defense is about effort din kasi. Kaya minsan, siguro nasa sideline ka, naririnig mo yung pagsigaw ng coaches for effort from their players. Defense and rebounding, it's about effort. Yung puntos, honestly and this is my opinion, anybody sa 15-man lineup ng kahit sinong team pa yung sabihin mo can score. Kaya nilang makashoot. But what... Oh! Grabe naman yung chase down block ni Ibay. But just like that, that's effort play from Ibay. Pwede nilang hayaan si Alfaro dun, but then he chased him down, tracked him down, and got the block.
Kasi hindi din natin makakaila na hindi din naman ganun katangkad nung si Aljon Alfaro. Kaya siguro trinay na din niya talagang was able to stop Alfaro and hindi naman siya na nagkamali doon.
Ayun naman. On the other end, Layug again misses another layup.
But then, easy basket.
Good play. Yun lang niluwa pa.
But then, a put back there for Aljon Alfaro. See this guy? He is everywhere.
Tinignan pa niya si Caparas dun. Para sabi niya, naabot nyo na kanina, hindi nyo na maaabot to.
Aljon Alfaro is Mr. Everything for Coach Eugene Nicolas of Santa Ana United.
Siya yung parang Aldrin Serrano nila. Scorer, defender. Siya yung nagsisimula ng lahat itong si Alfaro. Last game, siya yung tinutukan ng depensa. So, di ba, if you're Santa Ana United, it's a good sign that your leader, itong si Alfaro, is waking up in this ball game at the start. Kasi important na important for every team na maganda ang simula nyo.
And a good layup there.
Big steps to the basket kay Irish Lobo.
And here, for Santa Ana United, but a foul call there against
Irish Lobo. Tingnan natin yun.
Let's take a look at this easy layup. Parang inabot na lang.
Ang haba ng wingspan.
A good advantage for a player pag mahaba yung kamay, yung braso mo eh. Lalo na if you're playing a center point. As Aljon Alfaro,
napituan, offensive. Itong Santa Ana, but kita mo, Alfaro, saan sa tatabi? After niya pumunta sa bench. Normally, ang mga players, pag isasab sa dulo. Pero tumabi siya sa head coach niya. Diba?
A good mindset para sa kanya. No? Siguro para makita din niya or marinig niya yung instruct ni Coach Eugene.
Also kasi normally din kasi for point guards.
And a good steal there. And an easy basket.
Normally kasi for point guards, you are the extension of the head coach on the floor. Hindi naman pwede maglaro yung head coach, di ba? Unless playing coach sila. Like Sir Robert Jaworski, di ba? Pero for point guards, lalo na yung mga batang nanonood dyan, you are the extension of the coach. Importante na kung ano yung drawing ni coach na play, kung ano yung croquis niya sa board niya, or ano yung mga pinractice nyo, ikaw, it's your job to be the one na sundin yun. Ikaw yung mauna, ikaw magdadala ng bola pababa. So, kaya minsan may mga coaches na sinasabi na pinapagalitan talaga nila yung point guard kasi kayo magsisimula nung play, tapos kayo pa yung unang hindi susunod, di ba? So, let's take a look at this one more time. The steal by Peña and then the easy layup right here for Lloyd.
But one thing about Santa Ana United, their aggressive style, yun yung nakakapagpadala dito sa Minalins sa free throw lines nila. Good thing din that the free throw percentage of Minalin All-Stars for today's ball game is not on a high percentage Kasi so if imagine all those free throw shots came through.
Well, another thing to note here outside of the free throw, I'm looking at Minalin, they're still struggling from the three-point line. Last game nila, dun din sila nahirapan. They couldn't hit a three-point shot in the first half. Actually, 0 3-point makes sila in the first half. Pagdating ng second half, nakaisa lang sila ng third quarter. Nung fourth quarter na medyo nag-relax na yung Florida Blanca, dun sila nagkaroon ng sunod-sunod na 3-point shots, pero not enough na dahil malaki na yung kalamangan. So if you're Minalin, maybe, ito, kagaya ng ginawa dito ni Pamulagan, diba, alam nyo na, hindi natin strength ang shooting, 3-point shooting. So atake na lang tayo ng atake. Diba? You keep on attacking the floor, keep on attacking the gaps, pero try nyo lang kasi sa simula ng game, ginawa nila eh. So I know na kayang-kayang gawin to na Minalin, which is pag-atake, hanapin yung big man sa ilalim for an extra pass. Medyo nawala kasi yun eh, pero they did it nung simula nung laro, meaning yun talagang game plan siguro ni coach.
As 1 and 2 for Kenneth Pamulagan.
Another foul.
One thing for this both teams, so masipag naman talaga silang dumepensa. It's just mas aggressive lang kasi talaga yung attackers netong Santa Ana. Eh.
Well, if you look at kasi yung set play netong Santa Ana, they start giving, tinatawag yun the high ball screen eh. And ang galing basahin ng mga point guards nila, regardless if it's to si Alfaro or si Maniago, binabasa nila, anong gagawin ng big man? Naka-drop coverage ba siya or naka-high coverage siya? Pag naka-drop coverage, pwede na lang atakihin sila mismo. Pag naka-high coverage siya, nandun siya sa taas, pick and roll lang gagawin nila. Yung mga point guards na itong Santa Ana, they're reading the pick and roll well. Diba? And nagkakaroon tuloy ng mismatches. So, kagaya nila Musngi, pag may mintis na tira, kagaya nung ginawa kanina, when there's a miss, nalilibre kasi nga, off that pick and roll, nababasa ng point guards well yung coverage. And very important yan. You know, as a point guard, you have to know how to read yung coverage ng secondary defender. Hindi lang yung defender mo, even yung help defense, marunong kang basahin anong ginagawa niya. Oh, foul. Clear foul. Or, and I quote Boss Ray Alaw, foul talaga.
As we take a look at here, as he drives.
Foul talaga.
Foul talaga.
Boss Ray, ginagaya ka ni Ted.
Adopted kasi tayo eh. So, pwede na siyang gayahin.
Ayoko pa rin. Ayoko pa rin. Mamaya, ako naman susunod na pagtitripan dun sa coverage. Eh. Si Kim at si Seth lang pinagtitripan nun. Baka mamaya ako na yung sumunod eh. Love you, Boss Ray. Pero,
first free throw is good for Santa Ana.
one thing dito itong parehong koponan to, Minalin and Santa Ana. If you look at, pag pinanood mo lang yung last games nila, the one against Florida Blanca for Minalin, so yung Santa Ana naman against Guagua. Pag pinanood mo yung dalawang laro na yun, iisipin mo, ay tinambakan sila. Bakit ganun? Pero you look at the standings, mas mataas pa nga sila sa iba dun eh. Diba? They're in the playoffs. They're in the top 8 teams. Nandun sila sa 5 and 6 position. So Santa Ana United is at 5, Minalin is at 6. Kaya sila natambakan ng game na yun, those previous games nila, kasi kulang sila. Now that they have their full bench, diba? May times talaga ganyan. We saw that sa Sinag Liga Asia, born 2001, and even sa Sinag Lakas 40. Diba? In any team naman pag kulang talaga kayo, prone kayong malamangan ng sobra ng opponent niya na full lineup.
A
diba?
perfect example is the Mapua 5-2-1, diba? They have the best defensive players
actually,
there.
sa akin, yun yung wrong answer. No offense, Ben. Okay. Kasi nananalo ang Mapua without a full lineup. What I'm saying is, natatalo sila dahil kulang ng lineup, di ba? So, I think, maalala mo ba yung Passion Sports Elite? Di ba? Kulang-kulang sila dahil pumapasok. And even,
yung schedule kasi nila that time.
Antipolo Pilgrim Sleep nila Coach Ernest, di ba? Yun yung pagkulang sila, they start to lose. Pag kompleto sila, they have DJ Tristed, they have sila Aldrin Gubot, they have si Iverson Petros. Pag kompleto sila, nananalo sila.
Actually, I've covered a few games for them on the Born 2001 Cup.
Few games ka lang ba nun?
Few games lang. Actually,
my bad.
Actually, both teams are good. Yung Leap basketball ni Coach Ernest Alaw, sadya nga lang, sobrang kulang yung players niya lagi.
And also at the same time kasi, yun na yung nagsisimula na, tandaan natin, a couple of these players, not these players dito sa Delta Cup, but a couple of them varsities ng mga schools. And para dito sa mga players dito sa Minalin and sa Santa Ana. Maybe. Possibly din kasi. Kasi yung naalala ko, weekday yung game nila eh.
Weekday.
Oo, Thursday yung sa
And
Minalin.
the first 3-point shot there for Minalin, Enzo.
Una, di ba? And yan na. So, one thing na okay yan for Minalin na hindi na kayo second half nakatira ng tres, di ba? But good attack by Bahaladja. And then, din-wrap up niya kay Musngi, di ba? Yung extra passes nitong Santa Ana is good. But, yun nga, weekday yung game nitong dalawang team na to noong time na yun. I think Thursday ang Minalin, Friday yung Santa Ana or baliktad data. Basta weekday siya.
So, kulang-kulang talaga.
Sila yung morning game. Morning game sila. It was not the afternoon game na kung saan yung mga players after school pwede na mag-suit up. Diba? That's the reality of the situation ng pagiging player. Eh. You're a student athlete. Student comes first bago ka maglaro. Diba? And even tayo eh, diba? You're technically a working student. Working for us sa Delta Cup and Sinag Liga Asia.
May time nga eh, nung championship, di ba, nung Sinag Lakas 40 game to, naka-uniform pa ako pumasok.
Naka-uniform ka pa, di ba? As we have a timeout on the floor, Ben.
38-24 for our first quarter as timeout on floor. We will be back 38-24. As we can see here, the beautiful faces supporting our Delta Cup 2023 to 2024. It's a good time to watch the ball game right here at the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Nakangiti na naman yung director ko. Nasaan ba? Inahanap na naman niya ang mga hina-highlight dito sa atin. Of course, this is, I believe, the family, friends, kahit siguro mga kapitbahay nito of different cities and municipalities here in Pampanga.
Nakita nila yung maliit na screen doon nila Kuya Ram.
Nag-high sila.
Siyempre, day number 2 natin dito sa...
Day number 2 for the long
this week.
weekend.
Oo. Bukas yung day 3, di ba? I mean, nagaganda lagi ng mga laro natin, di ba? And mamaya, yung main event talaga
much awaited. The Apalit, I love it. Sana abutan ko.
Sana ba? Maabutan mo na?
Maabutan ko yung laro.
I
mean, ma-watch ko yung live. I mean, dito. Kasi nga, I will be going later.
Kita mo naman kahapon eh. Backcourt. Clear backcourt. And even si Coach Nicolas knew it. Coach Eugene.
Alam niya na eh.
Oo, alam na niya eh. Sabi niya, ba't kasi yung bagal mo? Dalawa pinagalitan niya. Yung pumasa at yung pinasahan. Yung pumasa, bakit mo pinasa? Yung pangalawa, yung pinasahan. Ba't ang bagal mo bumaba? Diba? May point din naman si Coach.
Sayang kasi yung possession.
Oh!
Put the basket counted for the side of Minalin All-Stars.
Nixon Manabat.
Actually, medyo nag-iinit na tong Minalin All-Stars for the remaining 2 minutes and 28 seconds of our second quarter.
12 na lang hinahabol nila eh. And actually against Florida Blanca, nung fourth quarter sila biglang ginanahan.
Was it a good pass?
Touchdown.
A good pass, saktong-sakto lang.
Everybody stopped playing on the part of Minalin. Pagkakuha ni Balahadja, yung
rebound. Na sila dun eh.
Nakatitig na lang sila eh. Nobody went back down on defense. As Nixon misses that time. Again, Alfaro na naman. Nung nauuna, yun nabitin lang that time.
I believe it's his first missed layup.
Diba?
Kasi
Ni-reverse
underneath Ni-reverse niya eh. But then yung mga layup kasi niya is pasugod eh.
Too quick for his own good tong si Alfaro din
After
minsan.
his offensive foul, binasok na ulit siya dito ni Coach Eugene Nicolas eh. Pinagpahinga lang siya sandali eh.
Good offensive rebound right there. Galing dito kay Pamulaga.
A missed 3-point shot, but then buti may nakaabang daw na teammate niya.
Pato na naman, oh.
Saktong-sakto. And he managed those 3 defenders from Menalen All-Stars.
Grabe ah. Nagulat ako, binato nila. And then Musngi.
And ang risky nun eh, so, kasi
1 on 2
tatlo na yung nandun sa
Oo.
kalagitnaan.
Nag-iisa lang si Musngi dun, di ba? Kaya nagulat ako na binato pa rin nila. But they paid dividend for them dahil si Musngi, kita mo naman yung footwork, di ba? Ang ganda.
As after that, 42-28 as timeout on the floor. We will be right back after the short break. As we can see here, the side of Menalen, their timeout huddle. Mukhang sobrang disappointed dito ang coaching staff ng Menalen. But here, the bench of Santa Ana Unite. You can see here, even the players.
Even yung player, di ba? Nag-krokis din
Which
ang
is a
play.
good mindset for them. Hinahayaan sila ni Coach Eugene Nicolas to speak out what they really want for this game. Kasi syempre, after all, Coach Eugene is there to just tell the game plan eh. Kayo pa rin yung mag-execute sa loob ng court eh. Yung pag-uusap nyo pa rin, yung communication nyo pa rin inside the court yung magdadala ng laro eh.
Oo, tama yan. And, you know, at the same time nga, makikita mo yung IQ ng mga players, di ba? Na sila pag-drawing as wild pass there for Manabat. But buti na lang, na-score pa dito ni Smith.
But then nagbabago dito yung depensa ng Menalen Enzo. After they shoot a basket, baba agad.
Yes.
For sure, that's one of the instruction naman talaga ng coaching staff na itong Menalen eh. Siyempre, if you want to put down the lead or magpantay kayo o mababaan nyo man na yung lead, you have to strive eh. You have to make effort on your defense eh. Nakakapagod, but that's what basketball is. A 40 minutes ball game. 40 minutes sa takbuhan.
Oh, hindi. 40 minutes ka dapat maglalaro, di ba? Hindi lang 10, hindi lang 20 minutes. Di ba? Ganyan dapat. It's a buong game ka dapat.
A missed attempt again. Binato
Uy!
na lang dito.
Muntik pa yun, ha?
Di ba Lahadya?
What a finish for this half para dito sa Santa Ana Unite.
As we can see here, for the second quarter, highlights natin dito.
Tingnan natin
A
ito.
steal there from the side of Santa Ana United and a good layup, which makes them more aggressive on the second quarter. And an easy basket there.
Kita mo, all of the baskets dito ng Santa Ana United galing sa painted area, di ba? Easy baskets, extra passes, and then na-open up tuloy yung 3-point shots nila dito. Kaya, ang laki ng kalamangan nila ngayon, Ben.
Kaya mga kabalan, tumutok lang po tayo as we are 45-30 in favor of Santa Ana United. Magbabalik po kami for a 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup. we're still soon at this Delta Cup 2023 to 2024. 45 to 30 at the end of the first half in favor of Santa Ana Unite. As we can see here, before the start of our ball game, of course, I'm still together, joined here by my partner, my brother, Enzo Galarosa.
Hi.
Hi, Enzo.
Hello.
Let's see if the turnovers here
Wild shot.
mabawasan ba for Menalin All-Stars. But
Yun.
another turnover there, kaka-mention ko lang.
Narinig ko kanina yung sa panig ng Menalin. Oh, good block! Talagang yan yung depensa yung talagang dinidiinan ni Coach nung halftime nila. Kasi nga, yun yung nawala eh. And when your defense, pag energetic ka and you put on the effort on the defensive end, gaganahan ka rin umupensa eh. It goes hand in hand eh. Pero kapag wala yung effort mo on the defensive end, you'll struggle on the offensive end. Kasi pag kagaya ginawa ng Santa Ana United in the first half, di ba? Ang higpit ng depensa, nakakakuha sila ng easy baskets in the offensive end, di ba? It goes hand in hand eh. Your defense sometimes rewards your offense all the time. Sometimes it's all the time.
Sometimes all the time pa.
8-second backcourt violation there. Good defense galing dito sa Menalin. So back-to-back stops para sa kanila. As bola ulit nitong Menalin All-Stars.
For the third quarter of this ball game, and so I believe Aljon Alfaro is not
Nasa
inside
bench siya katabi ni
the
Coach.
hardcourt.
Coach Eugene Nicolas.
A perfect time and a perfect opportunity for Menalin All-Star para mababa nila yung kalamangan dito ng Santa Ana Unite.
Yes.
Wala ang all-around guy and Mr. Everything ni Coach Eugene Nicolas dito.
As dahil, syempre Saturday, maraming nanonood sa Facebook Live natin. Bati lang tayo ng mga nanonood ngayon. Happy watching sa Sweet Lovers daw. Kay Diana May Valeros at kay Ivan Kim Pedria. All the way from Santa Maria, Bulacan. Nanonood, taga Santa Maria, di ba? Pero nasa Pampanga tayo. Loyal basketball fanatics, di ba? And siyempre, sa mga nanonood po dyan, comment lang po kayo kung sino po ba yung kupunan na inyong...
Kung sino supportahan nyo dito. Or yung player na pinapanood nyo dito as a good basket there for Menalin All-Stars.
They're having trouble inbounding. And
That's
another
the
steal.
defense that you're talking about, Enzo.
Exactly.
Na minention, narinig natin kanina na pinopoint out ni Coach Bernard Valencia of
Quick
Menalin
timeout.
All-Stars.
Quick timeout for Coach Eugene dahil nga 3 turnovers na to start off this third quarter ang ginagawa ng netong Santa Ana United. Nababa sa 8 points ang kanilang kalamangan, 45 to 37.
Minutes and 13 seconds remaining for our third quarter. A ball possession for Santa Ana Unite.
7-0 run to start this third period. Itong Menalin All-Stars,
And
di ba?
a three-pointer there, but a miss for Santa Ana Unite. A 7-0 run for the side of Menalin, right, Enzo?
May foul pa dito. So madadagdagan pa yung 7-0 run nila. What activity ang ginagawa ng defensive end netong Menalin All-Stars? Parang nagising talaga sila eh.
Sa halftime huddle nila eh.
Ginising ni Coach Bernard dito, itong Menalin All-Stars. Of course, again, diba, let's not forget na nanonood nga itong si Mayor Philip Navgit of Menalin, diba? And also Vice Mayor Rondon Mercado. And also, happy birthday to Admin Maganto Yambao. And also, happy birthday to Lordino Nunag. And siyempre, shoutout daw sa Edilin's Peanut. Napakasarap na mani.
Naalala ko,
Hindi mo natikman.
naalala ko, Enzo, si Vice Mayor Don Mercado na interview ko
Na-interview
na
mo
yun
yun,
eh.
yes, actually.
Pero for other league eh.
Huwag mo na banggitin.
Pero naalala ko, nung binati mo siya, familiar siya. Naalala ko,
Yes.
halftime interview yun with...
Ano nga yun eh? Oh! Dangerous play and clear unsportsmanlike yun. But good thing Ignacio sinalo niya. But nonetheless, kahit sinalo niya, it still merits and sportsmanlike. That would have been something dangerous. Ayun, no? Delikado yun. In-undercut niya itong si Ibay.
May defender na kasi sa kanan eh.
Oo. But kita mo naman, si Ibay acknowledged immediately na hindi siya nagalit kasi sinalo siya eh. If hindi, di ba, that would have been something like a
More
terrible fall.
serious.
Oo, terrible fall yun para dito kay Arvin Ibay. Para kay Ibay, Arvin Ibay, coach yun. Jason Ibay pala to. Arvin Ibay, coach yun kahapon.
Magkakatunog nga yung pangalan nila dito sa Pampanga eh. No?
Eh, di natin alam, di ba, distant relatives pala sila, di ba? Ano yan eh, may, yung, kumbaga, yung family tree siguro, baka mamaya pinsan ng lola ng ganito, di ba? Hindi natin alam, di ba?
Hindi malabo for Pampanga.
Ikaw ba, meron ka bang ganun na...
Yung distant relative naka-appeal. Wala.
Wala. Okay. Never mind. Try to start up a conversation here, Pen.
Hindi, wala
Sana
nga.
nag-invento ka man lang, di ba?
Hindi kasi ako marunong magsinungaling.
Sabagay. Sino nga naman ang... Ikaw lang kilala kong Wilhelmina ang ano eh.
Second name ko.
Alam ko. Ayaw mo i-reveal yung last name mo eh.
Ano lang tayo dito? Low-key. As 1 and 2.
Kapatid ni Thor?
Funny.
Again, yung effort ng Minalin.
Para maka-keep up sila eh.
10-0 run na sila dito. Wala pang puntos in nearly 3 minutes.
Kaya bumaba na lang sila yung kalamangan dito ng Santa Ana. From 12, 13, I believe. From 13.
15.
15-point advantage. The biggest lead of the ball game. Napababa na nila into 4. 4 na lang ang hinahabol nila dito.
May isa pang free throw, di ba?
Second half start for Minalin. Wala pa tayo sa 3 minutes ng ating ball game. We are still fast approaching at 7 minutes and 2 seconds. And another foul there for the side of Santa Ana.
Grabe tong Minalin.
What a run!
Is this the same team na nakita natin ng first half?
For the side of Minalin All-Stars. Sabi, nag-warm up lang pala sila nung first half end.
Para palang diesel, no? Kailangan painitin muna.
Coach Eugene Nicolas is not happy with how his guys performing right now.
Kaya huwag natin kakalimutan ng mga nanonood sa ating FB Live, Pen, di ba? Yung mga laging nakatutok for the Delta Cup, 2024 Delta Cup. Happy watching po kay Ron J. Zapanta. And yun, ang daming nanonood, oh. 700 na. 700 na ang nanonood dito sa...
Make it 801.
Oh, 801 na. And also, happy watching kay... Kilala mo ba to, Pen? Jenna Mendoza watching from Baguio daw.
Hi, Jenna.
Hi.
Kilala ko siya. Ano ata siya eh? Model.
Pwede ba? Pakilala.
Model.
Pakilala mo nga ako.
Wag na, may boyfriend na yun.
Sino?
Di ko alam yung pangalan. Eh.
Pero anong trabaho ng boyfriend nun?
Ano ata?
Back to the game na tayo.
Attorney.
Eto. Oh, clear offensive foul.
Another
Clearly.
foul there.
Pero unsportsmanlike pa
For
ata.
Santa Ana Unite.
Unsportsmanlike pa ata.
Mukhang madadagdagan ng 12-0 run dito ng Minalin All-Stars.
I saw that. It happened right in front of us. Tingnan mo. Look at the right arm dito ni Alfaro. Look at the right arm.
It's not
May left arm siya, may swing siyang ganun. But titingnan ng referees natin if close fist ba siya. Oh, it is! Disqualifying foul. Double fist up means disqualifying foul. Ejected na yung si Alfaro.
It's a big loss for head coach Eugene Nicolas.
It was a close fist. Automatic ejection yan kapag close fist ka eh.
For a disqualifying foul called on Aljon Alfaro, his Mr. Everything guy.
So yun nga, kinonfirm nga ng ating referee, close fist nga yun and tumama yung yung fist na yon. So Alfaro is now ejected of the ball game who had, diba, siya yung nagsimula dito for Santa Ana Unite and they are having a big meltdown ngayon. I saw it. It happened right in front of us. May nakita akong swing. I did not see if close fist ba siya.
Let's take a
But
look at
dito
this.
sa angle na to, ayun no, close fist siya. This is a better angle. I mean, shout out, once again, shout out to the hardworking cameraman natin and syempre sa slow-mo natin si Emerson sa OB Van, di ba? Close fist, kitang-kita doon. Dito kasi sa angle natin, medyo
Hindi.
nakaharang katawan niya.
Nakaharang siya eh.
Nakita ko lang nag-swing siya. Great eyes from, again, our camera crew, our production, and also our referees, di ba? That's the right call kasi once a close fist, tumama yan sa player, ejected na automatically yan under the FIBA basketball rules. So madadagdagan pa tong
A
13-0 lead.
13-0 run
Oo.
for Menalan All-Stars.
Good contest. Good contest right there by Ibay.
So we can see here, a ball possession for Menalan All-Stars. They're eyeing here for a 16-0 run from that position.
Eh medyo na-deflate itong Santa Ana bigla, oh.
Ikaw ba naman mawala ng Mr. Everything guy mo? And a miss there for Menalan. An opportunity for Santa Ana United to finally end the run
Ayaw pa
of
rin.
Menalan All-Stars. But a great defense there for the side of Menalan. Yan ang gustong-gustong
pass.
makita kanina ni head
And
coach
yan na.
Bernard Valencia. A
15.
15-0
Yes.
run for Menalan All-Stars.
5 minutes and 30 na lang natitira sa ating quarter pen. Wala pang nai-score
In the
dito ang Santa
span
Ana.
of 4 minutes and 30 seconds. But first, let's take a look at this highlight.
Look at that great pass by Bonifacio. Papunta dito kay Pamulagan for the easy 2. 15-0 run. 45 all ang ating score.
As we can see here, Pamulaga, nabubulol ako sa apelido nila.
Finally, a basket. It took them 4 minutes and 37 seconds to score their first basket of the second half, di ba?
After a multiple times na naka-foul sila.
Oo.
Still, we're tied again at 47 and 5 minutes and 6 seconds remaining.
Natapik. Look at Ibay. I mean, give credit to Jason Ibay. Siya nagsimula ng run na to. This 15-2 run netong Minalin All-Stars. Siya
From
nagsimula.
his drives, from his
Yung
aggressive
dalawang atake
drives.
niya, yung depensa. He started everything for Minalin All-Stars in this second half. Diba? I give him credit for what he did here. Baseline inbound for Santa Ana. "17 seconds on the clock." Ayaw pa rin.
Kanina, yung mga ganong style nila, yung nagpalamang sa kanila, enjoy. But
Oo.
now, hindi pumapasok yung mga simple underneath layup nila doon.
Parang binaliktad nila eh. Ganyan yung ginagawa ng Santa Ana nung first half eh. And as we talked about in the first half, di ba? You have to play that brand of basketball for 40 minutes every game. 40 minutes mo dapat gagawin yan. Kasi, tingnan mo, first half lamang ang Santa Ana with this effort. Biglang nag-flatline yung effort nila in this second half and tinake advantage naman ng Minalin, di ba? If first half lang, one half lang, 20 minutes lang ang laro, panalo ang Santa Ana. Pero dahil nga 2 halves tayo, 4 quarters, 40 minutes, lamang na bigla ang Minalin ng dalawa.
One thing I learned from the sidelines, Enzo, every time sa huddle, kapag may ganyan yung tambak sila, hindi naman natatapos sa first half yung laro eh.
Oo.
Kaya there's a halftime break for the players to be able to contemplate eh.
And look at that. Another foul whistled here. Santiago. And penalty na nga itong Santa Ana. So free throws na naman mabibigay dito sa Minalin. Take a look at that frustration foul galing dito sa Santa Ana. A clear bump right there for Santiago.
As the first free throw is good for Minalin All-Stars. Enzo, sila na ang lamang ngayon. Kanina sila ang naghahabol ng 15 points.
Baliktad na baliktad yun nangyari, di ba? Kabaliktaran eh.
A 1 and 2 for Minalin All-Stars and that free throw shot.
Finally, a basket right there, and Peña not happy. He was expecting a foul call.
Still a 1-point advantage for Minalin All-Stars. Is the 3-point is good? It's good for Minalin All-Stars. Enzo, it's a lock for them after a multiple times of attempt nung first half.
Di naman makabawi dito si Peña. And look at that, the chippiness continues for these players.
Here, are they going to make another 3 attempt?
Oh, good spin.
What a swing! But then, misses that one. Medyo kinulang siya doon.
Magtatalunan siguro yung mga fans eh.
Then, a
Pagkaikot
missed
niya eh.
pass for the side of Santa Ana Unite. Nagra-rattle na kasi sila dito eh. Kasi nawala na sila sa laro nila. Hindi na alam kung ano yung gagawin eh. It's there, Minalin, a jumper. Jumper is no good. A rebound for Santa Ana Unite.
Look at the quality of looks na nakukuha na ng Minalin ngayon.
And a good block there!
Oh! Send it flying! Jason Ibay, and kita mo may shoulder shrug pa pagkatapos. Take a look at this one more time. 2-on-1. No problem, sabi ni Jason Ibay.
A basket, a good play, and a fast play for Minalin All-Stars right there after that block. A 3-point shot.
Short.
Medyo short siya kasi medyo malayo eh.
Oo, hindi. Tsaka wala na rin yung legs niya dun eh. It was just an all-arm shot. You would know naman if it's short or long. Kapag alam mong pagod ka na, di ba? Wala yung legs mo when you shoot it. Hinahabol talaga nila yung every shot. They're trying to
Santiago
block
was
it.
there alone and it's an opportunity para sa kanya, but then it's still no good. A
Clear foul.
contact.
Clear foul. But Malyari might have gotten the worst of it.
All-Stars.
Siya yung sumabay tapos he might have rolled his ankle. He's down on the ground dun sa baseline. Siya yung sumabay, siya pa yung foul, and now he hurt his ankle. That's double black eye para dito kay Malyari. He had a good intention to challenge the shot, di ba? But yun nga lang, sumabit siya, and then he might have gotten the worst of it pa because mukhang
Naman
na-injure
yung
pa.
landing
Oo.
niya eh.
And our medical, right in front of the medical staff siya umupo, so agad-agad siya na-attendan ngayon.
First free throw is not good for Minalin All-Stars. But then, kung titignan natin, Enzo, hindi man maganda yung start na itong Minalin. But then after the first half of this ball game, after the huddle ng halftime, a 15-0 run, it's no joke for a team.
15-0 run to start, di ba? And quarter score natin, Pena, 24-6. Ganun ka grabe yung ginawa dito ng Minalin All-Stars in this third period alone. 24-6 is the quarter score. Hindi lang offense ang ginawa nila eh. It's also their defense. Holding itong Santa Ana United just 6 points, di ba?
Actually, dinoble nila yung effort na itong ng Santa Ana nung umpisa eh. They match the energy.
Tayo yun.
And then their drives, sobrang linis to the point na kaya sila nakahabol is every drive may foul eh. May contact eh.
Baseline inbound for them. Open look. Tinan mo, they're hounding the
Tatlo yung
basketball.
bantay niya dun eh.
Kaya hindi niya naipasa sa front court kahit may nauuna ng dalawa.
A 3-point attempt is not good for Santa Ana. 54-51 in favor of Santa Ana Unite. Of Minalin, sorry.
Good drive right there by Pamulagan. put his chest on the chest of the defender to get him off balance. And look at him fight for the ball.
Medyo namali pa yung pass doon, but there, a putback for Santa Ana
And
United.
that's why nagagalit yung coaching staff dito ng
Minalin.
Kasi
akala niya tatawag ng...
walang bumaba sa
Oo.
depensa, tatlo lang sila eh.
Kala may tatawagin na call eh. Kaso, hindi na sila tumingin.
Oh, good cut.
It's a good pass. And a good basket
Good cut.
for Minalin.
Good cut by Heron Bonifacio, pero counter again dito ni Lloyd Peña.
32 seconds remaining for our third quarter. 58-55, still in favor of Minalin. Kala ko titira niya yun dun eh.
We still have a lot of seconds on the clock. Oh!
What a move!
Bonifacio na naman.
But then an easy layup for Santa Ana United.
Munti ka na yun.
Almost.
Oh, what a third quarter, Pen, para dito sa panig na Minalin All-Stars. Lamang na sila after being down by 15 points. Lamang na sila ng 3 points dito, as we can see. An all-Minalin third quarter highlight dito. Started the quarter with a 15-0 run. They end this quarter on a high note. And actually, they had 30 points at the half. They scored 30 points in this quarter alone. That's why lamang sila ngayon ng tatlo. 30 points in the third quarter alone. And they were doing it from inside, outside, drop passes, extra passes, and easy layups para dito. That's why they're up by 3 points.
60-57 in favor of Minalin All-Stars. We will be back after the short break. As we can see here, we're back at the fourth quarter of this ball game. Still 60-57 and a 30-point na naggawa nitong Minalin All-Stars for the third quarter, Enzo.
15-0 run in 4 minutes pa nila ginawa yun, ha. 4 minutes, 15-0 run, di ba? Ibang klaseng depensa, and they only allowed 12 points in the entire third quarter para dito sa Santa Ana United. Defense and offense talagang nag-click for Minalin All-Stars. Again, ang nakataya dito, pwestuhan. Diba? 5 and 6 silang dalawa sa Group B, sa Bracket B standings. 5 and 6. A win here will get you closer kasi ang hinahabol nila is United Tomasan Ballers at the number 4. Yun yung hinahabol na itong dalawang kupunan na to. Oh, open look! Wise decision right there by Pamulagan.
Alam niyang iko-contest siya dun eh.
Tsaka, maaga pa eh.
Ayun na.
Yun contested naman that time.
But then a ball possession sa ilalim na itong Peña.
Oh! Clean, that's all ball. May Pamulagan, di ba?
Nag-expect siya ng foul. Nag-expect ng foul si Peña eh.
Hindi pipituhan ng referees yun eh. That's offense-initiated contact eh. Vertical yung pagtalo ni Pamulagan. Babanggain mo siya sa ere eh. Discipline defense ang ginagawa dito ng Minalin. What Santa Ana United needs to do is go back to what you did in the first half. But then again, wala na nga yung Alfaro. He got ejected early in the third quarter, di ba? Mga, I think, at 8 minutes pa ata ng third quarter yun, na-eject na siya.
It's actually a big factor for Santa Ana United. Getting a player, your teammate being disqualified, and then hindi pa sila nakaka-score nun eh. It's a 13-0 run for them nung time na na-disqualify si Alzon Alfaro. Kaya mas nawala yung momentum nila.
At the same time dito para ka sa Santa Ana, kita mo, wala na silang pure point guard. No one's now setting the play for them as a good drive right there para dito kay PJ Parungaw. Dahil wala na silang point guard, one and done. Pagkapasa, tira agad. Wala na nagsiset ng play nila dahil nga wala na yung point guard na si Alfaro. That's how big yung ejection na yun. Offensive foul. Galang with an offensive foul. So, again, not a good start for Santa Ana Unite in this fourth quarter. Same way that they started yung third period natin.
If they continue with that kind of run, it's not possible. I mean, it's possible for the side of Menalin.
That looked good. Pagbitaw pa lang niya.
That's what possible I'm talking about. Kasi iba din talaga yung nabibigay ng momentum mo. Pag nasa momentum ka na on your, nabibigay mo na kung ano yung gusto mong ma-witness.
There you go for Bahaladja. Inatake niya while the defense is unsettled. Bahaladja right here with the bonus free throw.
As the free throw is good for the side of Santa Ana, a much needed for them.
Watch out for the Iverson cut dito ni Pamulagan. There you go, they gave it to him na.
A drive there and a three-point attempt there. It's no good, but a putback there for Menalin All-Stars.
Regalo. Nalaglag lang sa kamay niya kahit siya nagulat eh. But good effort. Off of that Iverson cut, magkakaroon ka talaga ng mismatches. Kasi nga hindi, lalo na pag zone defense, prone ng Iverson cuts to get another guy open.
Here for the side of Santa Ana. An easy basket for them.
Kailangan pa nila ng mas
ang
marami.
hinahabol nila dito. As in-exceed nitong Menalin All-Stars yung time na meron sila eh.
Oo.
Para mapangalagaan yung 5-point lead nila eh.
Look at that. Una sa bola palagi.
Almost a steal and a three-point shot. It's no good. Almost a basket, but it bounced back that rim.
Eto, Maniago. Good open look. Sayang na
Still
naman
no
eh.
good.
Open na after the drive. I'm seeing Santa Ana, they're now doubting themselves pag titira sila eh. Open na yun eh. Those are the shots that they were hitting in the first half. Look at that pass!
A great pass there. Almost a basket, but still, nakakuha dito ng foul ang Menalin.
Grabe. No dribble, passing between three people, moving without the basketball. Great execution galing dito sa Menalin. And na-rewardan tuloy sila ng 2 free throws.
First free throw for Menalin All-Stars.
Niluwa
A
pa.
miss there. 6 minutes and 7 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter, with Menalin All-Stars having a 5-point advantage. 0-2 for Menalin. Not a good sign for Coach Bernard Valencia. Tinapon lang dito ng Santa Ana yon, but then a steal for Santa Ana Unite. What will they do? They
Dangerous
pass
pass.
it, pero walang still nakuha pa din nila.
Grabe.
That is the Santa Ana Unite na nasimulan natin, Enzo.
Oo. A quick 4-0, a quick 8-0 run para dito sa Santa Ana Unite via Bahaladja.
Which makes it 69-68. As we can see here, the bench of Santa Ana Unite, medyo nababalik na nila dito yung kumpiyansa nila as they are just 1 point, as Menalin All-Stars 1 point away from them. Diyan nakasimangot dun kanina si Coach Bernard Valencia.
Nakita mo pa talaga si Mangot niya. Pero game number 2 pa lang tayo nito. May 3 pa tayo mamaya. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to be watching yung next game din
let's
natin.
not forget the main event na I Love Apalit.
Tsaka mga Bebe Red Warriors.
Red Warriors.
Eh, yung next game din actually maganda eh. It's gonna be Villa de Bacolor versus...
As a good pass there for Santa Ana, but a missed.
Oo.
Basket there.
Touchdown
And a
na naman,
fast play there. And a good basket for Minalin All-Stars. The timeout is good for Coach Bernard Valencia there.
Paano nasalo ni Garcia yun, di ba? Covered na
Yung mga
covered
Garcia
siya.
talaga kakaiba yan eh. As another here. For the side of Minalin, kalma lang daw.
Sa bagay, yung Lendel Garcia nga ng Apalit, di ba? Good point ka dun, galing ah.
Pag Garcia yung apelido daw, talagang ano sa basketball eh. Ilan na silang Garcia ang nakikita ko.
Yan, nako, Pen. Oh, same play! Wow! Great play right
The
there.
timeout really works for the side of Minalin.
Post entry, cut to the middle. Grabe. Great read galing dito kay Ibay. Itong Jason Ibay na to ha. Did it on both ends. Just like that with the block.
Almost a putback there, but a rebound for Santa Ana again.
Sabit. Sumabit si Manabat. But how about Jason Ibay and itong si Manabat, di ba? Post entry pass, biglang may kakat sa middle, may magpa-flash sa middle, hit the cutter, easy layup, tic-tac-toe plays ang tinatawag ko dun. Great execution. 2 beses na ginawa nitong Minalin All-Stars yan. It led to a foul kanina for free throws kay Nixon Manabat. Ngayon, basket naman para dito kay PJ Parungaw.
And the first free throw is good for Santa Ana Unite. Make it 2 and 2 for Santa Ana.
Yes, if you're Santa Ana, 3 puntos lang tong kalamangan na to. No need to panic. You're still in the ball game, di
Still
ba?
have 4 minutes and 11 seconds.
Oo.
Still have a lot of time to keep up.
And wala si Aljan Alfaro, di ba? And yet you're still in the game. This goes to show how good your players are if you're Santa Ana. You're not gonna be the number 5 seed for nothing, di ba?
They already redeemed themselves after the third quarter. After the 15-0 run and the 30-12 run.
Ang kulit din neto ng Paulo Garcia dumepensa. No? Susulpot na lang sa likod. Hindi mo alam kung meron ka bang bantay o wala eh. Oh! May flex pa dun si Galang ha.
There you said it, Enzo. Isa na lang ang inahabol dito ng Santa Ana Unite.
May flex siya pagkatapos sa si Argel Galang ha.
One thing kung gusto mo mabalik sa yung momentum eh, no?
Oo. Again, look at that play. Again, post entry pass and then may fa-flash sa middle.
It's the third time.
Third time. Good
Grabe
pass.
yung sipag ng depensa dito ng Minalin doon.
Yes. But for Santa Ana, they found the guy na pwede nilang pagsimulan ng energy. And that's Bahaladja. Ito si Francis Bahaladja.
Missing Alfaro.
Oo.
They replaces it Balahadia. But still, the hustle of Ibay.
Opensa, depensa
As
eh.
here,
Yun lang, foul. Foul ang nangyari doon kay Manabat. Trying to draw the charge. Tumayo siya doon, but straight up yung contact eh. And
take a
moving pa
look
siya.
here.
One on one, no?
Yan yung gusto mo, Enzo. Pangatlong beses na lang ginawa. Parang
Oo.
naririnig ka nila sa loob.
Naka-in-house ba yung... Parang hindi naman, di ba?
First free throw is not good for Minalin. Santa Ana, rather.
2 minutes and 54. Still a
Tatlo pa
close
din
ball game. Oo,
ang
close na close.
kalamangan ng Minalin.
Parang ano no, may
Second free throw is not good. Rebound
may
by
something dito
Minalin
sa Delta Cup,
All-Stars.
di ba? Lahat ng laro dikit.
Oo.
Oh, good up fake. Sabit.
Nauna siya eh. Nag-fake kasi.
Ang ganda ng peke eh. Parang ano eh, Divisoria. Yun, natawa ka.
Hindi ba
Joke ni Coach Leo yun. Pag hindi ka natawa, lagot ka.
Hindi ba rekto?
Pwede din, pero kay Coach Leo ako narinig yun eh.
As we take a look here, gusto ata nila ng review for that play.
Foul cannot be reviewed. Fouls cannot be reviewed. Yun yung sinasabi ng mga referees natin. Fouls cannot be reviewed. Ang pwede lang i-review is possessions. You can review a foul to upgrade it to unsportsmanlike. Pero kung ipapa-review mo kagaya sa NBA na meron bang contact o wala, hindi pwede yun. Once the foul is whistled, it can only be, pwede mo lang ipa-review to upgrade, di ba? You cannot downgrade it na no foul pala. Hindi pwede, that's not under the FIBA rules kasi we're using FIBA rules, di ba? Sa NBA lang ang gano'n na pwede mo i-review.
1 and 2 for Menalen All-Stars and still a rebound for Paulo Garcia. You've been talking about this guy. Pagka free throw niya, Enzo, tumakbo siya kung alam niyang saan pupunta yung bola.
And it leads to a
Then a 3-point shot.
parugaw, grabe. Yan ang inaantay nila eh, mag-init tong parugaw na to eh.
All-Stars.
Ibay na naman.
Good contest.
Grabe. Yung ibay na to, rim protector na rim protector eh. Sinasabayan lahat. And malinis, walang foul yung mga pagsabay niya.
2 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. What will Menalen do?
Fake the DHO. Travel.
Traveling. It's clearly a traveling violation for Paulo Garcia.
Sabi niya, tumitingin siya, akala niya makakatakas siya eh.
As we can see here, head coach Bernard Valencia. We take a look here first at Ibay.
Ganda naman ng galaw na yun.
What a sidestep. And what a pass and an easy basket for Menalen All-Stars. As timeout on the floor, 81-76. As we are now back for the last 1 minute and 57 seconds remaining for this ball game, a ball possession for Santa Ana United. The very most important minutes for the side of Santa Ana, but a steal there
Go pa. After their own timeout, di ba?
for the side of Menalen.
Kala ko babantayan
Nagdalawang
siya eh.
isip pa si Paulo doon.
Kita niya eh. Titira dapat siya. Nakita niya si Bonifacio nasa
Sabi
harap
niya,
niya.
hindi, alis na ako dito.
Kaya
But
nag-sorry
here.
si Heron sa kanya eh. Oh,
What a
good
good
pass!
pass!
Ibay should have put that up.
Paulo
Oy!
Garcia, it's such a good no-look pass.
Yun lang. Sinasabi na ni Ibay, tira mo na, 2 seconds na lang. Kaya hindi rin nakatingin si Ibay sa kanya eh.
Here. It must have been at least the lay-up, pero na-agaw dito ng Santa Ana.
Clear foul right there and penalty na pareho. This would mean free throws regardless kung act of shooting ba. Kung si Ignacio. Yan yung nawala actually for Santa Ana. I told you that this guy could catch fire for Santa Ana United, itong si Ignacio. But in the second half, start ng second half, dead silent itong si Ignacio, especially in the third period. Scored 0 points in that third.
Scored 9 points at the
First half.
7.
First half. Tapos dito,
Wala
sa third quarter, wala.
Still,
0 for 2 pa.
0 for
Big
him
misses.
for that free throw. It's a much very important
Clear foul.
It's a foul
Tinulak
call
ni
there.
Ignacio. Frustration na from
The side of Santa Ana United.
Raymond Ignacio. Frustration foul yun.
We can see here. They're asking, the side of Santa Ana is asking our referees clearing what? Timeout on the floor, 81-76. As we are now back for the last 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining for our fourth quarter. No timeout for the side of Santa Ana United and 1 timeout for Menalen All-Stars. At mag-free throw pa dito ang Menalen.
Yes, Kenneth Pamulagan. credit Pamulagan, credit Jason Ibay, both of these players. And also yung pagpasok, hindi naglaro ng first half si Paolo Garcia. Second half, silang tatlo ang talagang nag-set ng tone dito for Minalin All-Stars. What a game for them, especially in the second half. Nagising tong Minalin All-Stars nung third quarter.
It's a 1 and 2 for Kenneth Pamulagan.
Good pass by Balahadja. Pero naagaw pa rin.
Naagaw pa din.
Talaga, di ba?
Grabe.
Nakuha pa niya yun.
He's just attempting lang on that part eh, pero nakuha pa din niya eh. But the ball possession stays at Santa Ana Unite.
Grabe, power move
Still no
sana
good.
yun. Good move na from Balahadja. Di lang talaga pumasok.
Here, Kenneth Pamulagan. Passes
Ubus
to
oras na lang.
Paolo.
Yun na lang ginagawa ng
Pamulagan again.
Minalin eh. Ubus oras na lang. Oh.
Ubus na lang nila as
Wow!
what a great pass there.
1 foot shot.
But a miss for Minalin All-Stars.
There's a whistle from our referee.
A foul.
A pushing foul.
A pushing foul against
It's on Balahadja daw, yung foul. So, it would mean free throws para dito kay Jason Ibay.
if you're Santa Ana, you didn't want that call eh.
Di natin narinig yung pito,
Pito.
no? Nagsiselebrate na kasi itong mga fans na Minalin dito.
Sumisigaw na kasi
Oo.
sila eh. And a missed free throw dito para kay Vince Pineda.
It's Jason Ibay.
Ay, sorry, it's Jason Ibay. I thought it's 8. Kasi hindi ko nakita yung 1 sa
Nakita mo
gilid.
nakita yung 1. Ganda ng jersey number niya, no? 81.
Kaya nga eh. Siya yung pinakamalayo eh.
Oo. Pinakamataas pa rin na na-cover ko, Jojo Hati, 99. Ay, Kuya Jojo.
As you can see here, Santa Ana still trying to deliver a basket. And they did. Still a 6-point advantage with 13 seconds left for this fourth and final quarters. We can see here head coach Eugene Nicolas of Santa Ana Unite.
If you're Santa Ana Unite, you're gonna have to go back to that third quarter. Especially yung 4 minutes na yun na nag-15-0 run itong Minalin All-Stars.
Another
What happened,
free
di
throw.
ba? Ang daming turnovers. And also, you're gonna look at the ejection dito ni Aljan Alfaro. Yun talaga eh, na medyo nawala sila bigla eh. Nung nawala yung point guard nilang si Alfaro, that was a big thing for them. And ito na, that's it na. With that offensive rebound, that'll do it na for this game. What a win para dito sa Minalin All-Stars. They will improve now to 4-3 sa ating team standings dito for Bracket B. What a game. What a second half para dito sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars. A total team effort para sa kanila. Great job from this team. Great victory. An all-around team effort, especially in the second half para dito sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars. At yun na nga, mag-i-improve nga kanilang record ngayon to 4-3 at aangat sila sa team standings, inching closer to the top 4 seed ng Bracket B. Yan ang ating final score, 84-78. A victory, a 6-point victory para dito sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars. At kasama ko na ngayon ang ating best player of the game. Walang iba kundi si Paolo Garcia. Paolo, congratulations. Nung first half, konti lang minutes mo, pero nung second half, pinagkatiwalaan ka ni coach na maglaro at nagkaroon kayo ng 15-0 run. Ano yung mga sinabi niya sa inyo nung halftime at bigla kayong ginanahan?
Ayun lang, focus lang sa ano namin, sa defense. Tsaka sipag lang, sabi ni
Talaga binabatuwa ka pa ng mga teammate mo, di ba? Pero ang ganda ng nilaro mo, especially yung depensa mo, yun talaga yung nagpapanalo sa inyo. Yun ba yung kailangan naming maasahan para sa team ninyo, yung depensa pa, mas iigihan nyo pa? Lalong-lalo na, 1 seed away na lang kayo para sa top 4 na may twice to beat.
basta focus lang kami sa ano, sa game.
Ay, mahihain ka pala. Pero grabe naman yung laro mo. Pero Paolo, bibigyan na kita ng chance dito na bigyan ng shoutout ang mga sumusuporta sa inyo from Minalin and siyempre yung mga family mo.
Maraming salamat sa inyo, tsaka sa mga coaches namin, kay Mayor, kay Mayor Philip, kay Boss Bon, tsaka sa dyan, sa San Francisco, no. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Once again, Paolo, congratulations. Grabe ang ating mahihain pero napakagaling na best player of the game. Walang iba kundi si Paolo Garcia of Minalin All-Stars. Congratulations po sa Minalin All-Stars. They will now improve to 4-3 sa kanilang record. At dyan na po magtatapos ang ating second game. Pero tutok lang po kasi kayo kasi coming up next, it's the battle between Villa de Bacolor kontra I Love San Simon. Susunod po yan dito sa Delta Cup. But that ends our second game for today. For Penelope Wilhelmina, this is Enzo Galarosa, and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Danan, Direk Billy De Leon, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, this has been your 2024 Delta Cup, and I am saying goodbye and good afternoon.